Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be telling you things you need to start up screen printing business. I see a lot of people coming to my DM asking me, Gifted, how can I start up screen printing business? Can I be at home and be doing my screen printing business, or I need to rent a shop to start up screen printing business? This video is directly to those people that is asking me that question. It don't mean that you need to rent a shop to start up a screen printing business. You can do screen printing in the comfort of your home. You can do screen printing in the comfort of your home. So here's my workplace. Here is where I do my screen printing work. So you need to get a table. After getting a table, the next thing is your mesh. You can buy your mesh. Then you can sit on the floor and screen print. Sometimes I used to sit on the floor. If I want to cut my mesh, I will sit on the floor. The next thing I will be talking about is the chemical they use to print on your nylon fabric. So here's the emulsion. This one is nylon ink. This one is plastic saw ink for fabric. Then this one is retarder. Then this one is dichromate. Here's the material you need. 20,000 naira. You can start up your screen printing job in the comfort of your home. It don't mean you must break a bank to start up screen printing business. So you need to start up with the little you have. The second important thing you need, either you buy your nylon or you go and buy your fabrics. I hope this video helped those people that's asking me how they can start up screen printing business, what material they can start up screen printing business, and what is the name of the material they can start up screen printing business with. Please do well to subscribe, like my video, comment, and also share the video. My name still remains Gifted Creation. You are free to call me Gifted. See you in my next video. Bye.